You have a book recommendation?
So I have a couple of book recommendations, a couple of books that I love. I've read Who Not How by Dan Sullivan. Great book, very easy read, very storybook format. It kind of goes into the premise of you don't need to be the expert on how to do everything, but you just need to have the who's in your network that can help you. And that's the purpose of having a great network of people. Who Not How is a great book. I also love the book The One Thing by Gary Keller. The One Thing really helps you focus on what is that one thing that's going to move the needle for me, right? Again, we have very complex lives, family, business, a lot of things going on, and our mind gets saturated with a lot of things. But at the end of the day, there can only be one thing. So really, really immerse yourself into that book. The one I'm reading right now was the one that I mentioned, The War of Art by Stephen Pressfield. I'm reading that now. Great book. Helps me better understand where I'm seeing resistance in my life. And it's really making me think. I'm 52 years old, and here I am, 52 years old, saying, holy cow, I wish I knew this earlier. And I'm seeing all these resistance points and areas in my life. So that's a great book. And a lot of these things are also on audiobooks. So listen to when you're in the car, all that stuff.
What single strategy or tool have you implemented that has had the biggest time-saving impact to you or your business?
For me, it's in real estate, it's my underwriting tool. That's the biggest thing. And as I alluded to, I'm always working to make that better, not only to find the best deals and structure the best deals, but also, as you mentioned, save time because time as it passes, we can't get it back like we spoke about. So my underwriting tool is my biggest asset to me in my day-to-day job. So I want to make that most robust. That's what I'm working on.
Well, Tony, this was fantastic. You can learn more at dirtybootscapital.com, dirtybootscapital.com, or make the investment, pick up the book, Freedom at Risk. Really appreciate your time, Tony. This was fantastic.
Thank you, Jack. This was a lot of fun. I hope folks take action on it.